Hello. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning again. I love you so much. And thank you so much, guys, for your support, especially for the last video. It was very good. And also, like, I really enjoy reading these comments. And another surprise. Today, we are going to the pad by Omniyat. I'm gonna be listing like one of the properties there, and I want to take you with me to see like how is the process, how we do the listing. Well, first of all, we have to take pictures. We're gonna meet the owner. We're gonna see the property, and I'm also gonna take some videos so I can promote it in my platforms. I mean, in my social media and also on YouTube. And I will take you with me to have a look on the property, to see how beautiful is the properties in Omniyat, and especially like the luxury properties. And it's gonna be fun. So we're going in a couple minutes, and the owner, she's waiting for us. She's a very, very nice person. You're gonna meet her probably. And stay tuned. We are on our way to the pads. I'm with Marco again. Hello.
Hi.
You doing good, Marco?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Trying to be good? You're doing great, my brother. We're supposed to be there at 11, but we still have time. I don't think there is traffic outside yet.
No, you told me we're here in Business Day.
Yeah. It's nearby.
We can make it.
Yes. We're gonna show you how is the properties there, like luxury properties, and also the unit where the one we were visiting. It's a very good one. You have a very beautiful view, a canal view, and it's a loft actually, like duplex. Well, stay tuned. Cheers. Señores, señoras, we are in the pad by Omniyat. So the entrance is that one, just right there. They have securities. This is the parking, just right there, straight. So we're struggling now where we can park the car.
Hi, bro. It's paid parking, yeah? Okay, how much per hour?
I'm with Marco again, Mr. Marco. So this is the pad, ladies and gentlemen. We are in one of the most beautiful properties in the pad by Omniyat. It's a loft, duplex, just beautiful. Clean. Imagine waking up the morning with this view, light from all the sides, facing the canal, and we have a very beautiful kitchen here, as you can see. Wow, this is my home dreams, by the way. Okay, it's furnished. This is the bathroom. Hello. Okay. Very beautiful. Wow. Now we can go up. Check this out. Oh my God. I feel like I'm dreaming, guys. Oh. Wow. This is the bedroom. Señores, señoras, aquí estamos en la mejor propiedad de Omniyat. Of course, channel. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh. Details. This is what I like about this kind of properties. Like everything is clean. And details. Okay. Let's go down. I'm doing my best. Okay. Oh, let's go and check the parking. I didn't show you the parking, guys. Wait, let's go. This is the parking. The parking have one floor. It's big, and as you can see, even what happened in Dubai the last 3 days, everything still looking clean. Hello. So now we're gonna talk about the property, the amenities, the price, of course, and the location, of course. It's also important if you want to buy a property in Dubai. First of all, you have to ask about the location. Okay. All right. So the property is located in the heart of Dubai, the center, exactly in Business Bay. It's like 15 minutes from the airport, 9 minutes from Burj Khalifa Tower, and you have everything close to your area. You want to have a look? Let me show you where exactly. Okay, so it's here. The pad is here. So this is where the tower is located. It's facing the canal. This is Al Jaddath Canal. Also, you have the Waves Towers Shoba project here. Okay, and as I said, it's very close to the Burj Khalifa from here. So this is Burj Khalifa. It's like 9 minutes by car. What about if we search? Let's check now the airport. Which is Sabiha. I was looking for Aeroport Sabiha before. Okay, anyway. So here, it's like 15 minutes. It's not even far. You have everything close to your area, to your place. Okay. This is the airport, and this is where the tower exactly. Nice. 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. You have like a spacious living room, lights from both sides. The parking is included. It's 1,299 square foot. Security 24 hours. About the amenities, we have a gym, so it's in the podium level, and a swimming pool, as you saw in the video. We also have a jacuzzi, landscaped areas. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the price. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very good investment, okay? A very good investment, especially for people who wants to buy, then renting it for the short term, Airbnb, wherever. It's a very good investment. The ROI is very high in this tower, and the price is 2,999,000 negotiable. Okay, 2,999,000. Take advantage of the offer. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna stay for too long, but as I said, now take advantage. Go to the well, anyway, you're gonna find my contact down in the description. Get in touch with me if you want to know more about the property, if you want to have more details, or if you want to negotiate the price, or if you want to arrange a viewing with me. So yeah, you're gonna have my contact down in the description, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, share, like with your friends, family, brothers, sisters, everybody, okay? I'm doing my best, like always. And just real estate. Cheers.